Ayan guys. Tingin-tingin lang muna tayo guys. Wow. Need to check the price. $249. This one guys is nice but expensive siya guys. Yan. Is $399, $400 guys. Oh my god. Wow. This one guys, I like it. Simple lang siya guys, simple. Okay. It's $54. It's nice. Hello guys, this one is, I really like this one guys. This is not what is that, strong one. It's a mild one. Yeah. Ayan, mga sample dito guys. Hindi man ako mahilig nito. Ano na lang tayo. Ayan. Oh wow, $48 each guys. $48. Ayan guys, ito ang napili ko guys. Yung pulang-pula. Gusto yan sa asawa ko. Charot. Oh no. Different guys. Nothing. Nothing. Goods guys. Goods.